Hey, what's up guys, it's Andrew and you are about to learn the 8-step formula for writing any video sales letter. Now I know 8 steps sounds like quite a lot, but trust me, you need every single one of these steps if you want to have a seriously high converting video sales letter. Now this is the exact formula that people like Russel Brunson, Beckler and Eben Pagan are using to have incredible conversion rates and make a lot of money. Now I'm not going to be laying out the 8-step formula. I'm going to be giving you an example of one of my own video sales letter that I just recorded about an hour ago. I'll be running through my script, my actual video sales letter, and then at the end I'll giving you the 2 iron rules of writing a video sales letter, and you'll get those 2 iron rules at the very end of the video. And trust me, those 2 iron rules are so important. So the very first step that you want to be doing when you're writing a video sales letter is write the outline, the 8-step formula into a script. Now if you just jump into my screen here, you can see that this is the script that I'm talking about. I've written the brief outline of what I'm going to say, the points that I want to touch on. So you can see that I start off up here with introducing myself. Hey, I'm Andrew and I make money online doing something that I love. And that is the very first step, the very first part of the formula for your perfect video sales letter. Now if you jump into my example that I'm talking about, you can hear that I don't just introduce myself, I introduce myself and I give myself a little bit of credibility. I say, who am I? And this is why you should listen to me. They are the 2 things that you need to include in the very first section of your video sales letter. Who am I? Why you should listen to me. Let's listen to what I say. Hey, what's up guys? My name's Andrew Kirby and I make money online doing something that I love doing. That's all you need to do. Chances are this is for warm traffic. You're referring people from your blog, from your YouTube video. They already know who you are. They already know what you're about. You don't need to have much on here. You can tick off the very first part of the formula of the video sales letter, which is who am I? Now, if you just listen to my second part, we can identify what the second part of the video sales letter formula actually is. Just excuse my hair for a second, I've just woken up, I made my bed, and I had to make this video because it's finally, this has been months in the making and I just had to make it for you. You now have the opportunity to get access to a course that's going to lead you from knowing nothing about digital marketing to making money online, doing something that you love doing. Right, so there's 2 little things that I did there, but the main point is you've got to say what you have for them. Briefly introduce the main benefit for this course, what they will get, the main benefit they'll be receiving from this course, sort of like your headline above your video sales letter. You repeat that again briefly after your introduction and you say this is what you're going to be getting in this course. This is the main idea for what you're going to be getting in this course. Now you'll also notice before I talked about that, I had a little bit of a funny joke to set the tone. This isn't a serious video sales letter. I don't want people to get bored, so I made some funny comment about my hair saying, yeah, it's messy, I just woke up, but I'm so excited to share it with them. That does 2 things. First of all, it sets the tone, lets them know that it's going to be a light video, not to take it too seriously. And the second part is it shows that I'm excited. It shows that I had to make the video. It shows that I'm revealing something big and it makes them bought in. It will make them listen in for a little bit longer. So remember, the first part of the formula of the video sales letter is to say who are you and why you should listen to you. And the second part is just briefly summarize what you're going to be saying in this video sales letter. And remember, this is exactly the same as what all of the other great marketers are doing. But let's move on to step 3. Exact formula that people are using to make $10 million a year. Granted, I'm not making that much money, but I'm well on my road to doing that. And this is the formula that I'm using and you can apply to start making passive income online. That's right, this formula will give you income that you can just sit back, relax. After you've done the work, you do have to do the work at the start, but then you can sit back, relax, sit on the beach, sit in a car, and you'll be making money every single month. That's what passive income is. So if you want to avoid the 9-to-5 rat race, then this course will take you out of that route and give you an opportunity to follow something that you love doing. Right, so what I'm doing here is I'm giving them the benefits. I'm listing all of the benefits that they're going to be getting. You have to list why they want to listen to you, why they want to get this course. Don't just list features. Don't say there's this module, there's this module, there's this module. People don't care about that. They want to know what they're going to be getting out of this course. This was quite a long part because it's one of the main parts. Like listing the benefits, why they want to be listening, why they want to be buying this course. That is the 3rd rule of the course. Now the 4th rule is a call to action. The 4th step is how can they get it? What do they have to do? Do they have to enter their information? Do they have to click a button? What do they have to do to get the course? So the fourth step is the call to action. Because at this point, you've recognized who you are, you've told them who you are, they've told them what this course is, and you've told them why they want to listen to this course. The next step is the people that don't want to listen to the whole video, just tell them what to do, click the link already. Now the rest of the video is for the people that are a little bit on the fence. They don't want to commit already, so they want a little bit more persuading. That's what we're going to do for the rest of the video. So what actually is in this course? Well, over the past 5 months, I've been working so hard, and I've told you every single lesson that I've learned in that period of time. So think how long I've been working in that period. I've been working hard. Everything I've learned, all of those lessons that I've learned have been put into this course that will walk you step by step by step through the entire process. The value of that is thousands of dollars, but for this example, let's just say that's worth $97. But you know that knowledge isn't power. Knowledge is potential power. You need to actually execute on that knowledge. And because I know that's a big problem, I've added a Trello board, which will keep you accountable. So you have no other option but to actually follow this course and actually make money at the end of the run. So let's say that that's $17 value, for example. Not only that, but you will also be getting a $97 free gift voucher for online coaching, so that when you run into your first problem in this process, there will be a few hurdles that you'll have to overcome. Then you just jump on the call with me completely free of charge, and I will get you over that hurdle, no extra cost. Value of that is $97. So if you add that up, there's 97, 17 and 97. And remember, this is all generous pricing. The value of this is actually so much more. So 97, 97 and 17, that's what, $211? So what they call this in internet marketing, and this is the fifth part of the formula for the perfect video sales letter, is a value stack. Before you tell them the price, you want to list out all of the benefits and all of the value of those benefits. Now this is being done all over the place. All of the pro marketers are doing this value stack because you want to pre-frame them to the price. You want them expecting the price to be, say, X amount, when in reality the price is a lot lower than that. So by doing that, you list out all of the things they're going to be getting in this course, all of the benefits they're going to be getting out of this course, list all of the value they're going to be getting out of this course, list up all of it, add it all up. So at the moment I came to some price of $211. They're going to be saying, oh, so if it's worth $211, maybe it's going to cut it in half. I'm going to be getting $100. Remember, the value stack is the fifth part of the formula for the perfect video sales letter. Now see what I do next. But no, I'm not going to be charging you $211 today. Not even $200. I'm not even going to be charging you $100. If you click the button below right now, you can get access to this triple value stack for just $7. For the same price as a cup of coffee you can get. Now, I want to break up a couple little things that I've done there. After the value stack, I've then gone ahead and given them the real price. They're expecting the price to be so much higher than it actually is. So as soon as I tell them how low the price actually is, they're going to say, no brainer. Of course I'm going to click that button. Of course I'm going to buy. There's no choice. It's an emotional decision. You frame them perfectly to expect the price to be so much higher than it is, that when you reveal the actual price, they click straight away and they enter their information straight away. Now the other little thing that I did there was I did the equivalent price to something that they wouldn't even think twice about buying. You can buy a cup of coffee for around $7, and some people buy a cup of coffee every single day. They don't even think about it. Again, making them realize how good a deal this is. It's the same price as a cup of coffee. What do you think has more benefit to you? All of this information, the free coaching call and the Trello board, or a cup of coffee? When you compare something like that, then it's a no-brainer. Now, if your product is a lot higher than $7, you can do something like it's the same price as a pair of shoes or something like that. So then they think to themselves, what's more beneficial to me? A pair of shoes that I wear on my feet, or a complete guide to making money, or whatever your course is. Remember, the fifth step of the formula for the perfect video sales letter is writing the value stack. Get all of this value that I'll be giving to you. So what's the catch? Why am I doing this? Well, there's two reasons. First of all, it gives me pleasure to watch my students succeed. It gives me deep fulfillment. I get value out of that. It literally makes me happy. That's the first selfish reason that I'm doing this. The second selfish reason is that when you follow this course, you'll start making money and you'll remember that it was me that helped you make all of that money, all of that gold mine that you're sitting on. You remember that it was me that helped you get that money. So in the future, when you're making lots of passive income, you'll think back to me and maybe we can do business again in the future. So you can see that the sixth step of the perfect video sales letter is removing the catch. When they hear that price and they're expecting the price to be so much higher, they're thinking, what's the catch? Most people know that nothing is free. There's no such thing as a free lunch. So they're thinking, is this a scam? What's the other person getting out of this? So by addressing it up front, instead of just ignoring it, instead of brushing it under the carpet, saying, I know you might be skeptical about this, but this is the reason why I'm doing it. Now, you've got to be authentic at this point, and throughout the whole video sales letter, you've got to be authentic. Don't lie about anything, because this is just going to come across as unauthentic, and people will either buy the course and be disappointed, or they'll recognize that you're being unauthentic. But this is all completely true. The reason why it's such a low price, because I know that I'm giving out so much value that in the future they'll want to do business with me again. You could be completely honest about that. Be completely upfront, because if you say, no bruh, I just want to give out value, man, all the free value, man, I just want people to succeed, bruh, they're going to know that you're lying. Excuse that impression. They're going to know that you're lying if you say something like that. So just completely address it, be completely upfront, say, I know that you're maybe skeptical, but this is why I'm doing it. Address their complaint, so that if they're thinking, if the reason that they're this far through this video is because they might be skeptical, so you address that group of people that hasn't already clicked on the button below. So now on to the seventh and almost the last part, but this is probably the most important part of the video sales letter. That's the whole point of this. Now, I'm so confident that this will work, that if you follow what I'm telling you to do in this course, and you don't make at least $3,000 every single month, then I will give you your money back doubled. I will give you double your money back if you do what I tell you to do in this course. Just like that. That's how confident I am that you will make serious amounts of money doing this course online. So this part, the seventh part, is having a guarantee. Now, I've gone crazy at this point. I've said that if you don't earn a lot of money, I'll give you double your money back guarantee. But you can say something like, if you're not satisfied with this course, just email me, tell me why, and I'll give you a full refund. But you'll notice what I did here. I said, if you follow what I do in the course, I'll give you double your money back guarantee. But the thing is, if you do what I say in the course, you will make money. There's no other way around it, because some of the things I say in the course is give immense value. In my disclaimer, in my guarantee, I said, if you follow what I say in the course. So if people recognize, they understand how to bring value, and they do start bringing value, there's no way they won't make money. So in reality, there's almost no way that people will be able to claim that money back guarantee, because if they're doing what I'm saying in the course, it's impossible for them not to be making money. But that's how surefire I am that what I'm saying in this course works. I've seen it work so many times. I'm on the path to making it work. It's already started to work for me, and I can see so crystal clearly how it's going to work for me in the future. I'm so confident that this is a good plan, that I'm offering a double your money back guarantee. Now on to the eighth and last step of the perfect video sales letter. But remember, after this, I'm giving you the 2 iron rules for the video sales letter that almost beats everything else I've just said. Click that button just below right now, because I've got to be completely honest with you. You can get all of this for $7, but this is worth so much more than $7. You're getting a free coaching call, and I can't do that forever. This price is going to be going up so soon. So if you're watching this video, you're one of the lucky few students who will be getting access to this course for that low price of $7. Click that button right below, because even if you refresh the page, if you click off, if you procrastinate on this, then the price might go up. I've got no promise. And if the price does go up and you miss out, I will not let you have access to this for the same price. I will not let you have access for this for $7. It's now or never. Click that button right below, and I'll see you on the other side. So they call this urgency or scarcity. You've got to push people, because if they've made it just this far to the video, They might be thinking, why would I buy it now when I can just buy it in a week's time? Have some urgency or scarcity to why they should click the button right now and not leave it till they get home from work, or leave it till tomorrow, or leave it till a week's time. Now again, don't use fake scarcity because this ruins all credibility. Come up with a legitimate reason. If you're having a actual product that you're shipping out, you can say, I've only got a certain amount, and if they run out, then that's it, they're gone. Or you can say the sale's ending at this time and you can have a countdown timer. Or you can do what I'm saying, be completely honest, because there's no way I'm keeping that price for too long. Because if it is, all of my time will be booked up with coaching calls. I say, I can't keep this up forever. Be completely honest with them and tell them, click this button now or you will miss out. This is going to activate their fear of missing out circuits in their brain. They're not going to want to miss out on this such a good deal, and straight away they'll click the button. So you heard earlier I was talking about the two most important rules when it comes to marketing and to your perfect video sales letter, and the first one is make sure it fits your audience. Now this is a template for you to use, but you've got to fill it out with things that will apply to your audience. Talk about their pain points, their things that they want to get rid of. Talk about their deepest desires, the things that they really want. And if you don't know how to do that, then you've got to research those things. You've got to find out what your audience really wants. You've got to find out their deepest desires and pitch your copy in a way that talks just to them and only them. Recognize your segment and only talk to them. Don't talk to everyone, because then no one will convert. If you talk to a small certain group of people, then there'll be a very high conversion rate. Now the second and the last rule of the marketing thing is talk about the benefits, not the features. I mentioned this a little bit before, but say you're selling a shovel. Don't say that this shovel is 2 meters long and it's got a metal end. Talk about the benefits that the shovel will give you. Say that it's going to build you a beautiful garden. Don't just end it there though. Say the beautiful garden will give you amazing carrots and fresh vegetables. Don't just end it there though. Say these fresh vegetables will make you fit and healthy so that you'll have more time alive, so you can see your grandparents, your grandkids live their life fully. You see what I'm talking about? Don't talk about the features, talk about the benefits of the features, because products don't sell on their benefits. Features don't sell on their features. Products don't sell on their features. Products sell on their benefits. Now, Steve Jobs is an amazing example of this. He will always pitch to the target audience amazingly. Now, this video sales letter is for a product that's coming out, and yes, everything you heard is right. It's only $7 and it will be coming out in the next few days. If it is out, then it'll be the first link in the description, but if you're watching this just as it comes out, then I'm sorry, it's not out yet and it won't be up for very long. So click the subscribe button, wait around till I release this course, because there's just so much value, a ridiculous amount of value. Literally every single step that you need to take to go from not knowing anything about marketing to making solid money online is in this course, and it's only $7. I'm completely changing the YouTube internet marketing game, and if you stick around with me, you can be at the forefront of this change. My name's been Andrew Kirby. Remember, like this video if you've got any value out of it, and comment down below. Comment your video sales letter script if you want. Comment any feedback, anything. I love your comments and I will reply to every single one. But I'll see you in tomorrow's video.